Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. This little ratty thing here, she trying.
Yeah.
But she runs good. I keep the oil change. I tune it up.
Okay, yeah.
But I'm gonna fix her up, you know, make her really look special.
Okay.
Like a Virginia Beach thing. You know?
Yeah.
So this is what's happening now. You know, the beach, beautiful cars, beautiful people, a lot of food,
Yeah.
a lot of fun time.
Yeah.
Let's do this thing.
Yeah.
VW. Great.
Sure. Yeah.
Peace out.
Later, man.